Good morning. Good morning, my student. How are you this morning? I hope you are very well. My name is Pervision Siombing. You can call me Sir FG. I was born on February the 3rd, 1980. I live at Jalan Jenderal Sudirman, Parumbunan. My hobby is fishing, and my favorite color is green, and my favorite food is satay. That is a short introduction from me as your English teachers. How about you? Can you tell me about it? If yes, send me your video of your introduction. Okay? Okay, next. Let's start our English class today from chapter 1 with the title, Good Morning, How Are You? You can also open your book page 4 to page 8. And then, before we do next activity, let me tell you a little bit about what is our title. Good morning, it means dalam bahasa Indonesia itu adalah selamat pagi. And then, how are you? How are you? Asking for apa kabar in Indonesia. Apa kabar dalam bahasa Indonesia. Good morning in our daily habit, dalam kebiasaan kita sehari-hari. At school, di sekolah, if you meet your teacher at 7 o'clock in the morning, you can say good morning to greet them. Kalau kamu itu contohnya ke sekolah jumpa dengan bapak ibu guru, maka kamu akan mengatakan good morning. Kalau kamu itu jumpa dengan bapak ibu guru atau temanmu di sekolah pada jam 7 pagi. And then, ada kata how are you? How are you? Ini adalah apa kabar dalam bahasa Indonesia. And you can say how are you to your friends if you want to know about the situation. Kalau kamu itu ingin menanyakan tentang keadaan mereka pada saat itu, maka kamu akan mengatakan how are you? You will say how are you to everyone. So, you can greet your friends or the other people by using good morning. Kamu bisa menggunakan kata good morning untuk menyapa teman-temanmu. And also, how are you? Apa kabar? Kalau kamu itu ingin menanyakan situasi mereka. Okay, next student. Before we continue or proceed our activities, let's sing a song. Okay, let's sing a song. With the title is Good Morning. I hope you can enjoy it because it is a simple song and easy to remember. Okay, here you go.
Good morning
To you.
to you. Good afternoon, my dear friends. Good afternoon to you.
Okay, that is a short or a easy song with the title is Good Morning. You can change a good morning and continue to good afternoon, and after that good night with the same rhythm of the song. Okay, like you hear just now. And then let's continue our song with the title is How Are You? Okay, let's continue our activity. Playing role play of the conversation, page 4 and up to 8 in your English handbook. What should we do? First, you will listen to your teacher's recording, reading the conversation. Kamu akan mendengarkan kepada guru membacakan percakapan dalam buku tersebut. Kemudian, tuliskan, write the conversation into your notebook, page 4 to 8. And the third, dan yang ketiga, repeat the conversation like your teacher do. Mengulangi kembali apa yang dikatakan oleh gurumu. Do as well as your teacher. Lakukanlah seperti yang dilakukan oleh gurumu. You have to read the conversation loudly, correctly, and also clearly. Maka kamu harus mengucapkan kembali kata-kata atau kalimat tersebut dengan ungkapan yang tepat, jelas, dan yang kuat. And the fourth, record your sounds, then send it back to your teachers. Kemudian, rekamlah suaramu tadi, dan kemudian kirimkan kembali kepada gurumu. Okay, that's all about our activity of English class today. And let's listen the sound. Let's listen the recording. Conversation 1, page 4. Good morning, Dad. Good morning. How are you? Good morning, Siti. How are you? Good morning, Mom. I am fine. Good morning, Lina. Good morning, Benny. How are you? Good morning, Lina. How are you? Good morning, Mrs. Rita. I am fine. Thank you. Conversation, page 5. Percakapan halaman 5. Picture 1. Hi, good morning. How are you? Hi, I'm fine. Thanks. And you? Hi, good morning. How are you? Hello, good morning, Siti. Good afternoon, Mr. Ahmad. Good afternoon, Siti. Conversation number 4. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. Thank you. Hi, guys. How are you? Hi, we are fine. Thanks. Conversation, page 6. Good afternoon, Udin. How are you? Good afternoon, sir. I am fine. Thank you. Hi, Betty. How are you? I am fine, thank you. How about you? I am fine too. Thanks. Conversation, page 7. Percakapan, halaman 3. Sorry, percakapan halaman 7. Good evening, Mom. I feel tired and hungry. Good evening, Edo. Of course you are. Take a bath, then have your dinner. Good evening, Dad. Are you tired? Good evening, Benny. Yes, I'm very tired. I want to sleep. Conversation in page 8. Good evening, everybody. How are you? Good evening, sir. We are fine, thanks. How are you, sir? Fine, thanks. Good evening, sir. Hi, good evening. How are you? I'm fine, sir. Good evening, Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Good evening, Miss and Mrs. Adnan. How are you? We are fine, thank you. Good evening. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How are you? Good evening. We are good. That's all about the recording of the conversation from page 4 and 8. And don't forget to repeat the conversation and record it, and then send your recording to me. Thank you. Okay, that is the end of our meeting this morning. See you in the next English class. Don't forget to send all your assignments tasks to me. Bye.